Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Locket Widget to home screen in iPhone. So guys, first thing what you will do is go to the App Store and search for the Locket, and just make sure guys that you are running the latest version in order for you to reduce any issue during this process. Now, with that said, in order for you to add a Locket widget, once you have signed in into an account in the application, you could just simply hold any application into your home page. And now from here, you will have an option, edit home screen. So select that. And from here, at the top left corner of the screen, you will have the edit button. So select that and you will have a pop-up and just simply select add widget. Now from here, you should be able to see here the widget of the Locket application. So just simply select it and you will have two options. Either you will have big widget or the Locket widget. So just simply select add a widget. And from here, you can move it around depending on your location that you prefer. And once you are done, just simply select done on the top right corner. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more and thanks for watching.